Hey there, it's Larry from LJ Stone Company. I want to share some exciting news about our recent $10,000 home makeover giveaway install. We just finished working on a home that was in dire need of some upgrades, and our team got right to it. The original windows were in terrible shape and had a rope assisted weight system that wasn't working correctly. The homeowners have been trying to fix things up, but some projects require more time and attention than others. On top of that, the home lacked proper insulation, relying on excess caulk to do the job. The homeowners had even put plastic on their windows to try and improve insulation, but it wasn't doing the trick. Our team member Mitchell took care of everything. We replaced the windows and ensured proper insulation. So now the plastic is no longer necessary. Now the homeowners can enjoy energy efficient windows that keep the elements out. One thing to keep in mind is that the home was built before 1980, which means it had lead-based paint. Our installer Jay will talk a bit about why we need to be careful when it comes to dealing with this kind of paint.
This home was built in 1910. Anything built before 1978 has a potential for lead-based paint, harmful toxins, and so the EPA has mandated since 2005 that we use what's called lead-safe practices. It tries to eliminate the amount of dust from the lead so that children and animals and even ourselves don't get harmed by the toxins that the lead dust creates.
Let's see, it was a home show. You guys had a booth at a couple years ago. The fact that my wife couldn't even open them, or my daughters, obviously, but yeah, just getting them up and getting them down was almost impossible. Too, we had to get out on a ladder and everything. Definitely wash them well. Also, get the house aired out. Won't have to put plastic on the windows every winter anymore, that would be the best part, actually.
Yeah, stop running your furnace.
Yeah, cut down on the heating bill for sure. And everything was quick, easy. I left at one point, it's still working, so yeah. My wife was very impressed with you guys' communication as well. I will be recommending you guys to everyone. We've already talked about that.